Hi, hello viewers. Welcome to my channel Chai with Varun. Wish you all a very happy Navratri. For this Navratri, I like to show you easy, yummy yet very quick recipes that you can make it for Devi Naivedya. I like to show you two varieties of Semia curd bagala bath, one sweet and one savory variety. The sweet will be with the berries and the nuts, and the savory will be with the green chilies, ginger and the nuts. These are the ingredients required for the sweet and savory variety of Semia bagala bath. I am using 3 cups of milk and half a cup of curd for this recipe. I am using the MTR vermicelli for the Semia. First, in a pot, add in 1 cup of Semia to 3 cups of milk and boil it with lid half closed until the Semia becomes soft. The Semia will be boiled just within 8 to 10 minutes of time. Make sure the milk doesn't spill over. After 10 minutes, as you can see, the Semia is nicely cooked. It's nice and soft. Now, once it is nicely cooked like this, nice and soft, take it off in a wide plate and cool it off completely. Now I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of the Semia first for the fruity nutty variety. Now to this 2 tablespoons of Semia, cooked Semia, I am adding just a little of water. Now you can add in water as per your requirement, like whether if you want very liquidy or little thicker, as per your wish you can add in the water. Now I'm adding in a teaspoon of sugar. And then to this I'm adding in some plain yogurt, around 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt or curd, and few chopped almonds and walnuts. And now to this half a cup of blueberries and strawberries, which I thawed. I'm using the frozen one. You can use the fresh ones too. Give it a good mix to all of the fruits, nuts and sugar and the Semia. This will be a very rich, creamy, milky, yummy light evening dinner too. Here's our berry, nutty, creamy Semia bagala bath ready to be served. This is a very good choice for Devi Naivedyam too. Now let's see how to make the savory variety, for which I have roughly crushed the green chili and the ginger, 1 green chili and a small ginger, and half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and cumin seeds and 1 dry red chili. First, in a small kadai, add in 1 tablespoon of butter. Then add in the mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Once they splutter, add in the 1 dry red chili broken into half, and then add in the ginger and the green chili roughly crushed paste. And then once they all nicely get sauteed, add in the chopped nuts and saute the nuts too, just for about 30 seconds. That should be enough. Now I'm using the remaining cooked Semia for the savory variety, and to this cooked Semia I'm adding in about 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt or the curd. And to this I'm adding water as required and mix it well. Now to this I'm adding in some salt to taste. Now I'm adding in our sauteed nuts, ginger green chili, mustard seeds, cumin seeds and the dry red chili, and give it a good mix. Now I'm adding in a little bit more water because I like it a little bit more liquidy. Now finally I'm garnishing it with some of chopped almonds and walnuts. Here's our nutty, creamy, savory variety of Semia Bagala Bhat ready for Devi Naivedyam. Also the berry nutty variety is ready too. Do try this berry nutty and savory Semia Bagala Bhat and let me know how you liked it. If you liked my video, please leave a comment below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Chai with Varu. Also don't forget to press the notifications bell icon. See you again with another new video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.